currently you are our head of research. Can you tell us what a sort of day in the life of a head of research at a trend agency is like?
So I'm either doing generalist research, which our trend experts like you and Dion and Tumi would use for their trend briefings or for clients. And often I'm working on reports as well. So I use that research in reports. And the reports are either generalist, where we cover all the different trends according to our T.R.E.N.D.S methodology, which is an acronym for trends, and that refers to technology, retail, economy, natural world, and diplomacy. So we pretty much leave no stone unturned when it comes to scanning and seeing what's happening to the world and where the world is headed. So I'm either working on reports or research or and my research comes from lots of different sources. So it's not just me on my computer doing desktop research. My information comes from academic studies, social media, pop culture, interactions with my family and acquaintances, and even something as simple as conversations with Uber drivers. Everything informs my research and the insights that I extract for the work that we do.